Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness or Lifestyle. Today I'll be showing you some things I bought from Tjmaxx, and a lot of them are high-end stuff that I got. So let me start sharing so that I don't make the video too long. So the first one, I have the bag right here, and I actually got a lot of stuff. So the first one here is this brush set, and I'm very sorry about my previous videos. I think my couple videos, like I had fan on and there was like some disturbance going on, and also the focus, like autofocus, I realized that it was not focusing on the stuff when I was showing you guys, so I'm really sorry about that. So this is the first one, that is this brush set, which was actually 20, like it was 20, and then it had reduced to 15, I think, and then it was 7. So when it was 7 is when I got it. And it's this brush set from NYX Beauty School Dropout NYX Professional Makeup Set, and I just liked it for like $7. I thought it was pretty cool because it has a lot of brushes, and 1 2 3 4 5 brushes, and also like a whole bag here. So let me open and show you guys. It has a pouch also, and it's really hot here, and I'm like wearing the jacket, so I'm feeling really hot. So this is how it comes. There's the pouch that you can keep all your brushes in, and then all the 5 brushes. So it's mostly the eye brushes. So this is, yeah, so just like that. And then if you open this, so it's like that. So it's pretty cool to keep all your stuff, brushes, makeup, whatever. It's a makeup bag. And let's look. And then these are the brushes, 5 eye brushes. So there is a pretty cool set of brushes. They look really nice and soft. Look at that. This blending brush is so good. I don't know if it's a blending or shading brush, but it's really cute and pretty. So 5 brushes with this bag, and also they've given this thing here to put the brushes, so you can put all the brushes this side and put something else, so you can actually put them, keep them right there, and then keep your makeup stuff here. So it's pretty cool bag. So that's the first one, first item. This Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow, single eyeshadows, and I actually I'm trying to collect some. I don't know why. I already have the Anastasia palette, the Modern Renaissance, but these seem to be really good quality, the single ones. So I have a couple of them, I will show you, but this one is in the shade Brick, and this was $3.99, and this is in the shade Brick. So I'm going to take this off just to show you guys. The color is really pretty. Look at that, like my kind of color. And let me show you where I've been collecting. I already have some here. I'll show you guys. So this is the color Brick, and I'm going to put this is what I've been doing, like depotting like these, collecting them, and putting them in this palette, this empty palette. If you guys saw my ColourPop haul ad, showed you guys that I got this empty palette. So I've been putting this here. So I already have 3 here. So let me show you what colors I have, because these also actually I got from Tjmaxx or Marshalls itself, but I don't know if I showed them in the haul or just forgot to show them. But this color is RTW. This one here is RTW. Let me actually put it here. Okay, that's called RTW. That's the Brick. All are Anastasia, and this one, the purple one here, is called Gemstone. It's called the Gemstone. So that's really pretty purple. And This one is really pretty, kind of that shimmery kind of color. And this is what is this? Henna. So that is henna. So that is brick. So let me put that in here, there. And this is a light color. Okay, so these are the 4 I've like collected. I'll show you one more that I hauled, and I actually got one more from Marshall's, which I'll do in the Marshall haul. So those are the 4 I've collected, and then let me show you the other one so that I can actually put that back there. So this was also $3.99, and this color is called Enchanted. So it's really like a dark purple. Let me actually show it to you inside because it's like this. Okay, so that's the purple one. Beautiful color. And I'm going to put that. This is called Enchanted. I don't know if any of these single ones I need to compare and see are already in the Modern Renaissance or any other palettes, because I only have the Modern Renaissance one. So I'm just going to put this here next to this purple. I'm going to put the dark purple there. That's the Enchanted. Let's put this here. So there you go. So that is for the eyeshadow. Now I hauled some MAC. Got these 2 pencils, or found these 2 pencils, and these are $6.99. And this first one here I'm showing you guys is called the Marsala. Both are kind of similar kind of shades. There it is. And let me actually show you the swatch. So and these are the lip density, what are they called? Lip density lip pencils. So they are those retractable ones. Like the Rimmel, you have like some retractable ones like this. So this is Marsala, which is a little bit like a fuchsia kind of color. Beautiful color. And then that was $6.99. And then the next one is royally flushed, a little more darker than the first one. So this is a little bit darker color. Wait, is it darker or lighter? Let me see. I think it's more purple. Yeah, if you see the tube, it's more purple. So let's swatch that here. Oh, it looks lighter actually. For some reason, I don't know which looks more purple, but they are pretty similar. Yeah, pretty similar shades. One is a little more pink and one is a little more purple. So very similar shades. The next MAC product I got is this MAC Alia eyeshadow palette, and this looks what is it called? Age Ain't Nothing. That's what it's called. Age Ain't Nothing. And it is, I mean, I don't think I would have bought this at full price, but for the discounted price I got it. So it has this kind of neutral shades actually, that cover on that, and then look at the shades, like all kind of neutral, light pink, light purple, there's a golden there, and then all the browns there. So I just actually got it because it was on sale. Otherwise I don't think I would have bought this otherwise. But so that's the MAC Alia. And then the next one I got, and that was $14.99. And then the next one I got is this. Again, I have already collected, I think I have two of these. What was the one? Yeah, the Risk Taker palette. And then I have another one. One I remember I got at MAC, and one I got at Tjmaxx. So this one is the other one. Or maybe I have only one. Maybe I returned the Tjmaxx one. So I probably have only one. So how much? $24.99. And there is the shades. This has a little bit darker highlighter, like more like a bronze kind of highlighter, like golden actually. Yeah, golden bronze highlighter. And then all these shades. So I really loved all these shimmery shades down here. So it's a pretty, I just like the way these look like notebooks. Like if you see, they look like this notebooks, right? This design. So very cute. So that's the other eyeshadow palette, which I don't know why I need so many eyeshadow palettes. I have too many right now. I think I need to stop buying the palettes. So that's one. I don't even put that much eyeshadow or use that much eyeshadow, but then I have too many palettes. Now the other one I found is the Nars, which again I always think not to get any lip products, but I found this, and this is the Nars Power Matte, because this is the Power Matte line. I wanted to get this because you see those Nars lip glides everywhere, but I'm not a fan of those lip glides. But this one I wanted to try, so I got the Power Matte because I had done a video on the Power Matte pigments. This is different. I think this is the Power Matte Lip Luster, Nars Power Matte Lip Luster in Combat, and that is what I have on my lips today. So that's the shade. I've just lined it with the MAC lip liner Auburn, but that's the shade. It doesn't have the shine or anything. That's just my highlighter that I have on my lips right now, right there. But it's a nice like MAC Diva kind of shade. So, and it's not that drying. So I mean, it's lip luster, like how you have those Sephora. So it looks matte, but it's not too drying. So, but I haven't worn it, for a long time to tell you guys how it'll be. But that is the swatch right there, that one. So it's kind of like that MAC Diva, or actually maybe more MAC Rebel kind of shade. So, oh yeah, let me show you how it looks pretty cool. You can see the color here inside this tube here. You can see the color, and then the tip is really good, to kind of go over the lips. The applicator is really good, and it has this Nars written on that there. So it's on this Nars written on this here. Pretty cute. So that is the Nars Lip Luster. And then the final product I found is this Kat Von D's liquid lipstick in Malice. So that's like the orange color, Malice. And I mean, it's just a pretty bright orange color. And go. So that is Malice. And this was $5.99, and the Nars one was $7.99. So that's all for the Tjmaxx haul, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.